if you were to look at the matrix top down, I'm going to be the three-dimensional side view of the matrix, but what you're looking at on the image is the top-down view. The crosshair in the center is me. I'm that center point where the X and Y axis meet. If I am standing there facing my right, I'm in overhand, right? So you'll notice, so the line for the vertical axis is my hip line, right? I'm facing this way, and I'm looking this way. And then my poi are in overhand. If I turn 90 degrees, my hip line is the x-axis. I'm facing north on the image, and my poi move from overhand to clockwise. If I turn another 90 degrees, I'm facing west. My poi will be in underhand, and my hip line is again the y-axis. And if I turn south, I will be in counterclockwise, and my hip line will again be the y-axis. I'm sure. So we have a similar matrix for opposite direction. In the version that I have there, if we are facing north, it's overhand opposite or inward. One poi is overhand, one poi is underhand, and one point is clockwise and one is counterclockwise. So like this is inward at the top or overhand opposite. If I turn west, I'm left hand underhand, right hand overhand. So I call it side opposite right because it's side plane, opposite direction, and the right hand is overhand. Now, whether I'm doing it in split time like this, or I'm doing it in same time like this, or I'm doing polyrhythmic time like this, or I'm doing together time like this, it's still the same thing, side opposite right. If I turn to the south, I'm in outward or underhand opposite. Now people lazily will call this like underhand when you're doing a butterfly, but it's really underhand opposite in my model. And then if you turn to the east, it's side opposite left because the left is overhand and the right is underhand. Now, what that means is each one of these 8 directions is unique. 4 of them for same direction, 4 of them for opposite direction, which means, save for horizontal examples, when you say the direction, it implies the plane that it is on. So overhand is same direction on the side plane. Counterclockwise is front plane or back plane, but it's wall plane. Inward implies wall plane. Outward implies wall plane. Side opposite left or right implies side plane.